Hey guys, I'm going to go through a deceleration drill using the med ball slam exercise. Okay, so let's get into our med ball slam stance. Feet about shoulder width apart. Toes can be facing forward or slightly flared out. I'm okay with both. Okay, athletic stance. What I'm going to have you do is come up overhead, come down. Instead of actually letting go of the ball, I want you to slow it down and try to stop on a dime. Okay, it's a tough exercise, but if you learn how to slow down, it's going to be so much easier, and it's going to be actually beneficial to lead to a greater acceleration with your med ball transferring over into whatever sport you play. Okay, so this is kind of one of the earlier drills that we use to progress upon before we actually get into med ball slam. So I'm going to have you again get into athletic stance, up overhead, and then slow down before you hit the ground. Now, guys, that's your med ball slam deceleration drill.